we are here at Parkside North by MGR, which is located at Gummanahalli. So it is spread across 2.5 acres consisting of 2 towers and each consisting of G plus 22 floors, available in 2, 3 and 4 BHK variants. Talking about the connectivities of this project, Kempegowda International Airport is just 30 minutes drive from here, and also Manyata Tech Park is also just 30 minutes drive from here. Bharatiya Mall of Bengaluru or Phoenix Mall of Asia is just 20 minutes drive from this project. And talking about the amenities, as you can see, the space is surrounded with lush green, and also you can see the kids play area right here and some lounge space. And today we are going to have a look at the sample flat, and it is of 1596 square feet. Come, let us have a look at the flat. As soon as we enter, we can see a spacious and nice foyer area or an entry space that's right here. And as we continue to go further, we also have space that's right here, which is leading us to the living area, which is quite spacious and large, I must say. As you can see, you can accommodate your couch or sofa that's right here. And opposite to that, there is a TV unit space, which is also quite large and spacious. And continue to that, we have my favorite space of the house, that is the balcony. This is the balcony of the living area. As you can see, it is wooden textured flooring, and also it is quite spacious and nice, I must say. Very apt for your morning coffees and evening chais. So continue to this, let us have a look at the kitchenette area. So as we continue to go further to the kitchenette area, we can already witness there is a spacious dining area that's right here, and also right beside that we have the kitchenette area. So as we continue to go further, we have the kitchenette area right here. You have the refrigerator space here, and also the kitchenette area, both of the spaces, both of the sides are spacious and nice, I must say. And also there is a utility space that's right here, which can accommodate your washing machine or any sort of accommodations as per your need, and it is quite spacious, I must say. So continue to this, the exit of kitchenette area. We can see a common washroom that is right here, opposite to the dining area, which has high-end sanitary fittings and anti-skid tiles. So now let us have a look at the bedroom number 1, and as I told you, it is a 3 BHK sample flat. So as we continue to go further, we have the bedroom number 1, which is really cute and spacious, I must say. It's really nice, and here we have the half French windows. It is a slidable window, and also there is a good space for your bed, and opposite to that there is a closet space which you can use to accommodate your clothes. And opposite to the bed I have the TV unit space, and right next to that I also have the powder area. So as we continue to go further, this covers the bedroom number 1. Now let us have a look at the bedroom number 2. So as you can see, it is taking me a while to go from bedroom number 1 to bedroom number 2. Let us have a look at the bedroom number 2. So welcoming you for the bedroom number 2. Wow, this is really spacious and nice, I must say. As you saw from the entry to bedroom number 2, you have a very spacious space that's right here. Alongside the bed, you can accommodate your bedside lamps, and also there is some space that's right here. And opposite to the bed space, I have the TV unit space and closet space as well. And you can alter this as per your needs. And also there is half French windows which are slidable, that's right here. So continue to this, there is an attached washroom to the bedroom number 2, which has high-end sanitary fittings and anti-skid tiles. So this leads us to the exit of bedroom number 2. That is the entrance of bedroom number 3 is what we are going to look at, and this is the last bedroom, which says that it's the master bedroom. Come, let us have a look at the bedroom number 3. Now let us have a look at the master bedroom, that is the bedroom number 3. Wow, this is a really nice and spacious looking bedroom, I must say, and it looks very luxurious as well. As you can see, there is a very nice bed space that's right here, and opposite to that I have a TV unit space, and right beside my bed space I have a closet space That is also very spacious and very nice, I must say. And right next to that, you can use your powder area as per your needs. And also there is an attached balcony to the bedroom number 3, that is the master bedroom. So this is the attached balcony to the bedroom number 3, that is master bedroom, and it has wooden textured flooring that's right here, and also it's quite spacious, I must say, and very nice and well made, I must say. So guys, this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour. Thank you.